Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Decora outfit in Dress and Press without VIP. Okay guys, let's get into it. First of all, choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this color. Okay, like this, and combine it with this one, make it this color. And this hairstyle, make it this color. And this one, make it pink. Okay, and then you're going to put on the sunglasses, this cat ear, and also this fur item. You're going to make it rainbow glitter, and then this necklace, make it this color, and then this item, make it this color, and then this hat, make it this color, and then you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then you're going to put on this skirt. Choose toggle 2 and make it purple, and this boots, make it this color. Okay, and then what else? Okay, and let's move to the dressing room. You're going to put on this top and make it smooth. Wait, for the color, you're going to apply this purple color, make it smooth guys, and then you're going to apply glitter as well and put on this back. You're going to make it crossbody, leave it like that, and then this item, make it shirt only, and you're going to make it pink and also yellow, and for the material you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then we're going to put on this item, this skirt, select toggle 4, and then you're going to make it purple. Okay, just make it purple for all the selection like this, and then put on this top, make it toggle 3, and you're going to make it purple. Okay, and then it's done. Oops, sorry, I forgot one more item. You can put on this mirror heel and just leave it like that. Thank you guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.